Hi everyone, I'm Nicola and I'm the franchisee in Nottingham. I just want to bring you a really fun craft today called salt art painting. Very few materials needed, but a really great, interesting result also involving a bit of science. So let's just go through what we need first of all. We need some glue, so some runny PVA glue. If you haven't got it in a squeezy bottle, you can pop some in a pot and use a teaspoon to drizzle it, and that works just as well. We need a pipette. If you don't have a pipette, the squeezy syringes from Children's Medicine work equally well, and most households have those, so you need one of those. We need some coloured paints, so bright ones work really well, and they need watering down with water so they're fairly runny. And we need some household salt. So here we go. So what we do first is we decide on some patterns on our paper. Black paper works really well because we can get some wow results with the colours, but it will also work on white paper or coloured paper. So I'm just going to write my name, I think. So this craft is great for practicing writing. If you've got young children, you could write numbers, letters, or just for drawing. So here we go. And we will do that joined up. So you can do it with any theme. These are great for firework paintings, but you can do it with anything. So here we go. There's our PVA glue on the paper. The next step is just, this is a bit that's fun, pour some salt all over that glue. You want that to completely cover the glue. That's good fun. And then give that a little bit of a shake. Make sure it's covered. And then we're going to get rid of that excess salt and put that in there. And then the fun bit comes. So you can see we've got that covered in salt, and then we get our pipette and we're going to suck up some of that paint. So squeeze the air out of the pipette down into the paint, let the pipette go, and a little bit of science there as we watch that paint suck up there. And then all we're going to do then is to blob that, watch that again, onto the salt and watch what happens. And of course what we see happening is some science, because we see the salt start to dissolve with that water. We don't need to clean the pipette, straight back in, because then we've got some colour mixing too. And we carry on and we just cover all over. So as I said, we can talk about colour mixing. So here we've got a nice mixture of green and yellow going on there, and you can see the sort of results, oh that's dribbled, the sort of results we get there with that colour mixing. So when that dries, what you will see happen, it's not an art to keep, by the way, this is an art that's all about experimenting. So when that dries, you will see some interesting results again. I'm not going to spoil it by telling you what those results are. You'll have to do the craft and have a look, but one word of warning, it's not one to keep. Okay, thanks for watching, enjoy, I hope you have some fun with that.